What my Korean grandma packed in my work lunch.
Today was an extra special day for me because Haimani prepared keramari, but not just any keramari. She added gennip and a little bit of crab to the mix, which I think really elevated the eggs. So gennip in English is called perilla leaves, and it's like the big sister of mint. That's like the best way I could describe it. But I love gennip. I could literally eat it by itself. Haimani can too, so I'm just really happy she added that. Honestly, this was the prettiest keramari Haimani's ever rolled for me, so it just looks so pretty when she packed it into the bento box. The next thing Haimani's preparing is little baby kimbap, so she's mixing in rice for kake, and also she had an audience today. But these baby kimbaps are super easy to make because all you have to do is add rice, spam, and then roll everything up super tightly, and also don't forget to tuck in your ends. Haimani had some crab left over, so she's rolling that in super tightly and also smearing rice at the ends to use as a glue. And the last thing Haimani prepared was some grilled chicken tenders because I asked for more protein, and she also had some spam left over, so she's also cutting that up. Now Haimani's done cooking, so we're packing everything up in my brand new lunchbox. And yes, we have graduated from the shopping bag.